guys, I'm Faris. Now last week we did numbers from 70 to 80, so now we're going to be doing numbers 80 to 90. So I'm going to start off with 80. So 80, which we learned in the last video. And now we're going to do 81. So 8, 1, 81. And now 82, 8, 2. And now 83, 8, 3, 84, 8, 4, 85, 8, 5, 5. Now 86, so head, shoulder, high, low, 86. And 87, high, low, head, shoulder. Now 88. Now this is lower to high, so shoulder to head. 8, 9, 89, and 90. Okay, so now I'm going to go from 86 to 90 one more time just so you can get the hang of it. So we're going to go 86, high, low, 87, 88, and then 89, so switch directions, and 90. Great, so now I'm going to do it slowly and try and follow along, but if you can't, that's okay. 80, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, and 90. So now we're going to do it one more time slowly, and then we're going to do it at a normal pace. So 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, and 90. Okay, now I'm going to do it one last time, but normal pace. 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, and 90. Awesome! So make sure to tune in next week where we do numbers 90 to 100. Bye for now!